it's Gina. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day wherever you are. And in today's video, we are gonna get this eye look for St. Patrick's Day with the Just My Luck palette. This is literally the perfect palette for St. Patrick's Day because it is all completely greens. I'll show you what the palette looks like. This is what she looks like. This is what we used. I'll let you guys know what shades I used, how I used them, and how I did my eyeliner for today is actually pretty shocking, and I have green highlighter on, so that is completely out of my comfort zone, and so is doing this eye look. I'm literally about to wear it for the rest of the day. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new here, hi, my name is Gina, and I would love to have you guys subscribe to my channel and join the fam. My social medias are listed down below if you want to follow me. The main one I would suggest following is Instagram, because that is where I post polls and stuff, sneak peeks for videos. So that's the main one that I post on my story a lot. And without further ado, let's get right on into the video. All right, guys, you know what time of year it is. It is the weekend before St. Patrick's Day. We also have a lot of people who are doing St. Patrick's Day parties now. Like I know a bunch of colleges do, like there's like fake Patty's Day. Even with everything going on, that's not gonna stop a college student from getting drunk on St. Patrick's Day or on fake Patty's Day. So, for these reasons, I am going to be doing this look. We're going to be using the Just My Luck palette, like I mentioned in the video before. This is what she looks like. This is the literally the perfect palette to do a green eyeshadow look. So we're going to do a St. Patrick's Day look. I'm going to try some new things as well for like eyeliner. I already have the eyes primed with the No Filter Concealer by Colourpop. Obviously, duh, that's what I use. So, we're going to be going in with first the shade Chances Are, which is this shade right here. We're going to apply that all over our crease. Now, remember guys, I don't set my under eye, I don't set my eyelids anymore when I put any eyeshadow on. I just don't. This is what it looks like. We'll zoom you guys in. All right, we're zoomed in. I'm going to try to look down and at my mirror that I have up here to apply this on. My under eyes are no longer super dry because I've been using the Colourpop new Daily, the eye cream. Ooh, that is literally the best eye cream ever. So we're just going to build this up a little bit because it is super like pastel-y and pale. So I'm not tapping off any of the excess because you guys obviously have not been hearing that. I'm not tapping off any of the excess. I'm just letting it stay on my brush and packing it on that way. I feel like that is the best way to apply this because it is so finely, it feels like it's like finely milled. That's what it feels like on the eyelids, or like finely pressed, and it is like a very light shade, so we want to try to get as much pigment as we can. So sometimes you can't dab off the excess or tap it off. So this is actually looking real cute. You're gonna just add a little bit more. There's barely any fallout on the pan. I know I just tapped it off because I literally only need it in this one little area. Barely any fallout on the pan. Not too bad. Like it's just got that like little ring around it. Not too bad. Taking this will be your best friend for doing colorful shades if you want to use the same brush, is you just take something that's like a brush cleaner. This is the mini color switch, and you just, I think I just said blush too, but oh well. So the next shade we're going to go to is Kick My Ass. That's this shade right next to it, and we're going to go in with that one. Okay, this one is already more, there's more fallout with it, so we got to be careful now that we know with the packaging. So I'm kind of going to dab it in first and now rub it. Because over here you can tell it kind of got like a little streaky, but we're not going to. I want you guys right now to put in the comment section down below if I should redo my Zodiac challenge that I did 2 years ago. I want you guys to let me know if I should redo it because it's like a popular trend now. And I'm like, oh, I already did it though, but should I redo it again? Because I love Zodiacs. That's something I really do love, and everyone's been doing it, so why not give it a go? I can do a completely different look, completely different palette because I'm a Taurus, so my colors well, I don't want to spoil what my colors are just in case I do redo it, but I want you guys to give me your feedback down below on what I should do. Let a girl know. So this shade, Kiss My Ass, is like the one shade in Honey that acted exactly like this. It's just how it was. Now I do have it completely all the way over here. We don't really want that, but I will fix it later with some concealer or when I go to do my foundation. So we're gonna take our brush that we normally blend with, and we're gonna blend because we look like the freaking Green Lantern right now. So this one has a lot of fallout on it. Doesn't bother me too much, but it does have it. Do you wanna know? The shade's not bad. It's a tiny bit patchy, but it's also a green. So it's not horrible. Like, it's not like horrible patchy where I'm like, oh, I gotta take that off. No, it's not like that at all, which is a good sign. So we're now gonna go in with a different brush because I wanna pack it on into the crease itself and only focus it on the crease. So we're gonna be going in with this kind of brush, and this is what it looks like. It's not as fluffy as this one. And we're gonna go in with the shade Act Natural, which is this green right here. I wanna kinda add it to my crease and really focus it on the crease and see if it does anything since we are already doing greens. Okay, it is doing something. Every time I try to focus a color just on the crease, it ends up getting blown out up to the top, and it's a mess when that happens, but I'm really trying to actually focus it on the crease. This one I am tapping off. All right, now I am gonna go into this brown. This is called Charmed. This is gonna be our outer V color, because you do need like a brown. You need something to like darken it up. And we're packing it on. Taking our blending brush and blending her out. What we're going to do, so it doesn't look like such a harsh line, we're gonna go back in with Act Natural and just go where the two meet. That way it is like blended together, kind of. It's more fused. And then we're gonna go back in with, for this time we're gonna do Kiss My Ass and go back in top. Just in this little corner right there. Does anyone have an eye that looks better on one side than the other? Mine's always my left. I can literally never do what I did to my left to my right, ever. I never go in the same amount I do this side. I never add enough of the color as I do on the other side. And we are going to take this off, and we're gonna go back in with Chances Are as well. And blend this back up top. Taking my makeup wipe, and I'm going to clean up my edges, and this is what it looks. Now I'm going to do the rest of my face. I will come back when I add more things, and we will add our glitter on top when I am back. I literally filmed that whole thing without recording. So we're cutting the crease. We're using the Jeffree Star Magic Concealer in the shade C0 we put on the back of our hand, and we're just cutting the crease. So I'm in the middle of doing that, but I literally didn't even hit the record button. Oh, I can't believe I did that. It's a good thing I'm not done with this eye. I was like talking, and then all of a sudden my camera turned off, and I was like, why did my camera turn off? It shouldn't have. And we're taking that literally just right to the dark part. So this one, because it's a little bit uneven, we're gonna have to just take it over a little bit onto the dark section so that it is more even with this side. So now that we have that, I'm literally going to just take my finger and we're going to dab the concealer and to kind of like doll it out a little bit. and to make it less tacky, because I figured this worked the last time that I used a Jeffree Star product, at least. This worked this way. And I already like blend the black or the brown we used back into it, which I really do like. So we're going back in with the Just My Luck palette. And we're gonna be going in for, I wanna really do this shade because it is the like the green that I'm like looking for to add to the pop of color. But we also have All of You, which is right here. This shade that we're gonna be using is Mary Jane. And then this is Big Banks, which are all gorgeous, but I wanna use Mary Jane really bad. That's the color I really wanna use. That's what it looks like. And we're just dabbing it with our finger and applying it on, because what is a St. Patrick's Day look if you don't have this like type of greenish gold added to it, right? Right. We're just packing that on. Now how I'm gonna do my eyeliner today is gonna be something completely different that I've never done before, so bear with me. We're gonna be trying something new together. So this is the greenish shade. This is Mary Jane on the lids. I really do like it. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna take that brush with nothing else on it that we used for our outer corner and just kind of blend it. That way it's just not super harsh. But equality might work as well, but I kind of wanna, we're gonna see, I can always replace one with another. So we have an eyeliner brush, like this. Oh, I'm so freaking nervous. I've never done this before, and I'm doing it for my first time. So we're gonna just take this, and what we're gonna do, I really think the green's gonna look good, so we're gonna put it on the back of our hand. So as you can use them for eyeliner. I've used them for shadows. Never done the eyeliner portion. So like you do kind of need to work quick because this will dry on you. Ah, okay. It's so far going good. Sorry for the little bit of silence. So pause real quick. What I'm doing is I'm taking my brush and I'm dabbing it into my hand and getting the access on it. That way. All right, so I got it all the way down. Let's do the front part and then we'll worry about the wing. Because this is where it needs to look good because it's gonna be on a lighter shade. So now we're gonna do the wing. This is what it looks like if you can see it, but I'm gonna have to let it see what it looks like when it dries, and then we'll have to see if we have to add more on top, because I'm thinking we do. So I'm gonna do the other side off camera. Wish me luck, and I will be right back. So we added our freaking eyeliner. First time ever doing it with a freaking liquid lipstick. So this is Equality is what I used by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Obviously Jeffree Star Cosmetics. So now we're gonna do our lower lash line. I do whatever I did on the top of my eye first, so we're going in with Chances Are first. Then we're going with Kiss My Ass. Very close to the lash line. Then we're going in with Act Natural. And then on the outer V, we're going in with Charmed. And then I'm gonna finish up the eyes with eyeliner and mascara, and then we'll be right back to do our highlighter. So for highlighter, we're gonna go in with more of a precise brush, and we're going into Mint Condition a little bit. And applying it to our cheeks. We're then gonna go in with his Supreme Frost in Candy Apple Drip because it is green. And we're adding that on top. That is the end of today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. This was out of my comfort zone. I really do love it. Greens look really good for brown eyes, and also it's like a hazel or a blue. Oh, greens look amazing on almost everybody's eye color, which I think is pretty awesome. So I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you guys end up doing this look for St. Patrick's Day with any green palette, please like tag me in them on Instagram or Twitter if you follow me. Like I said in the beginning of the video, all my descriptions for my social medias are down below. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, if you love me doing eye looks and the fact that you want it for St. Patty's Day as well. Click that notification bell so you know every time that I upload a video, and subscribe and hit the fam if you want to. I'm not forcing you, but it'd be pretty cool if you did, because our goal is to hit 2,000 subscribers by the end of this year. I will see you guys in our next video. Bye, guys.